Yesterday, the tech industry entered panic mode again because the senior developer, that mythical creature who drinks black coffee and solves seg faults in his sleep, just got put on the endangered species list. This isn't just another clickbait thumbnail from a productivity bro. According to the Gartner 2026 Strategic Technology Trends Report, the traditional developer role is experiencing a terminal skill issue. While you were busy mastering the arcane arts of memory management, a 19-year-old vibe coder just shipped a full-stack unicorn using nothing but a Claude prompt and a trust me bro attitude. AI didn't just come for the boilerplate, it came for your 200K salary and your unlimited PTO. Is the senior dev actually dead, or are we all just experiencing a massive skill issue on a global scale? It is February 2026, and you're watching the Tech Report. In the before times, roughly 18 months ago, a senior dev's value was their internal library. You paid them because they knew exactly why the production server exploded in 2019. But the Stack Overflow 2025 Developer Survey just confirmed the nightmare. Over 84% of developers are now using AI tools, yet nearly half of them admit they don't actually trust the output. It's the ultimate toxic relationship. We can't live with it, and we definitely can't ship without it. We've entered the era of skill compression. The gap between a junior who can prompt well and a senior who can type fast has vanished. According to the latest Layoffs.fyi dashboard, exactly 123,941 core tech workers were right-sized across 269 companies in 2025 alone, and that's not counting the massive wave of federal departures currently sweeping through DOGE. CEOs are no longer hiding the script, openly admitting that AI is the primary driver for operational efficiency. If your only value was shipping features, you're not a senior anymore. You're just a legacy system waiting to be decommissioned. But the real tragedy isn't at the top, it's at the bottom. We are currently witnessing the junior death spiral. Companies have stopped hiring entry-level devs because why pay a human to learn when an AI already knows? Gartner predicts that by 2027, 80% of the software engineering workforce will need to upskill or be replaced by AI-augmented roles. We're effectively eating our own seed corn, trading the future of the industry for a slightly better Q1 earnings report. We are creating a hollow industry where the middle management is human, but the actual implementation is just a black box of tokens and hallucinations. Then there's the security nightmare. LLMs are great at writing code, but they're even better at writing AI slop. This is code that passes all the tests, but is fundamentally haunted. A recent study on package hallucinations found that LLMs frequently suggest malicious or non-existent libraries to careless devs. When an AI hallucinates a latent dependency, the junior prompt engineer isn't going to catch it. They'll just keep hitting generate until the UI looks pretty while the back door is left wide open. Managers call it efficiency, which is corporate speak for, we fired the guy who knows how the database works and replaced him with a bot that hallucinates SQL. So how do you survive the great senior delisting of 2026? Gartner suggests that 80% of engineers will need to move to AI-augmented roles by next year. Let's look at the senior survival iceberg. Level 1, the systems judge. Your job is no longer to write code, it's to review the AI's pull request with the cynicism of a tired detective. You need to know why the AI chose a specific algorithm and where it's trying to kill your database. Level 2, intent discovery. AI can't negotiate with a product manager who doesn't know what they want. You are the translator between business gibberish and executable logic. Level 3, post-AI forensics. When the slop inevitably hits the fan at 3 a.m., you are the only person in the room who actually knows how the black box works. The real senior of the future is an orchestrator. You'll manage a fleet of autonomous agents, spinning up a security agent, a linter agent, and a feature agent. You're the conductor of an orchestra where the musicians never sleep, never complain, and never ask for unlimited kombucha in the break room. But there's a dark side. If the AI is trained on code written by AI, we are approaching the model collapse, where the internet becomes so full of AI-generated garbage that the AI starts eating its own tail. Maybe reality only exists within your own technical debt. Maybe there never was a senior developer. Maybe the external world is just a projection from your own ego, and you're already living in Zuckerberg's metaverse, waiting for a seg fault to wake you up. If your only value was shipping features fast, it's time to touch grass and rethink your career. Because in 2026, if you aren't the one orchestrating the agents, you're the one being replaced by them. This has been the Tech Report. Hit the like button if you're not a robot, and if you are a robot, please don't delete my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.